Today we are going to learn about anatomy of respiratory system, where we also get to know about the location and structure of our respiratory parts. So first we have to know what is the respiratory system. The organs involved in inhalation and exhalation process in human body constitute the respiratory system. When we inhale, we take air from the environment, and when we exhale, we give out carbon dioxide from our body. Now, we will see the parts which are included in our respiratory system. So, here is the picture where we can see the parts of our respiratory system. The first one starts with the nostril, next coming to the point which is nasal cavity. Next one is paranasal sinus. Another one is oral cavity. Next one is pharynx, and then it comes to epiglottis. Now coming to the lower portion, the first part is trachea or windpipe. The next part is right primary bronchus and left primary bronchus, which enters to the right lung and left lung. Now the next part is superior lobe, middle lobe and inferior lobe, and the last part is diaphragm. Moving to our next slide, we will see the division of respiratory system. It is divided into two parts. The first part is upper respiratory tract and the another one is lower respiratory tract. The upper respiratory tract can be divided into four parts. The first one is nasal cavity, second one is oral cavity, third one is pharynx, and fourth one is larynx. Now coming to the lower respiratory tract, we can divide it into the tracheobronchial tree. Now we will learn about the nasal septum. The nasal septum is the bone and cartilage in the nose that separates the nasal cavity into the two nostrils. And our next point is paranasal sinus. It resonates speech and produces mucus which enters the nasal passage. Here is the picture of our nasal septum and paranasal sinus. So the parts are superior concha, middle concha, inferior concha, frontal sinus, supreme concha and sphenoid sinus. So these are the parts of the nasal septum and paranasal sinus respectively. Now we will learn about oral cavity. Our oral cavity can be divided into four parts. The first one is mouth, second one is palate, third one is teeth and fourth one is tongue. Here is the picture of our oral cavity where the first portion is called the palatopharyngeal fold. This is called palatoglossal fold. This is tonsil. This is teeth. This is hard palate. This is soft palate. And this is the uvula. Now we will learn about the pharynx. Pharynx is a tube-like passage. It connects the posterior nasal and oral cavities to the larynx and the esophagus. Here is the picture of pharynx. So pharynx can be subdivided into four parts. These parts are nasopharynx, velopharynx, oropharynx and hypopharynx. So these are the main parts of the pharynx and we can see another parts in this picture. Now coming to our next slide, we will learn about the larynx. So larynx connects the inferior part of the pharynx with the trachea. It is a complex structure of cartilage, muscles and ligaments that serves as the entrance to the trachea. It performs various functions including phonation and airway protection. Here is the image of larynx and we can see the parts starting from the epiglottis, hyoid, thyrohyoid membrane, superior horn, thyroid notch, body of thyroid cartilage, cricothyroid ligament, cricoid and cricotracheal membrane. Coming to the next slide, we will learn about the tracheobronchial tree. It is the image of a lung starting from that white portion which is called the larynx. After the larynx, this portion is called trachea. This is the visceral pleura and this is the parietal pleura, which are the membrane of our lungs. This is the pleural cavity. These are the bronchus. This is lobular bronchus and this is segmental bronchus, which are the division of bronchus. This is the bronchiole. This is the terminal bronchiole and the last part is diaphragm. Now we will see the image of human lung. It is the human lung. These are the right and left lung. This is the bronchus and left lung is smaller than the right lung. Now we will learn about the alveoli. Alveoli are balloon-shaped structure inside the lungs. Almost 300 million alveoli are present in two lungs. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs in alveoli of lungs. Now we will see some additional parts which are also included in human respiration. This is the image of diaphragm which supports the lungs and it is present between the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity of our body. This is extracostal and intercostal muscle. They are present between our ribs. So this is our topic, anatomical respiratory system. Don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel eShekha and don't forget to press the bell icon to get time to time video notification updates. Thanks for watching.